No, nothing. As soon as we get in here, I'll turn on the CTAF.
Expert 41, Josh approach.
122.9.
Huh?
122.9.
Expert 41, Charlie altimeter 3008. Cleared Owens, Saline, and Panamint at or below 50210. Expert 41, clock 0470, expert 42, 0471.
Expert 401, that's the CFA 122. For RAG students. F-18s.
Export, what was it?
Expert 41.
So that, ladies and gentlemen, is Death Valley.
Where?
Dead ahead, the white
yeah,
stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ladies and one gentleman. And that all the way to the left, all the way, that's Mammoth.
Oh, up there?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
Looks pretty sweet.
All that.
Wow, that is some kind of desolation down there.
Yeah. This country has so much room. But I mean, who would want to come here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you cannot be that desperate Syrian refugee to move here.
Exec at 815, contact LA Center 124.62.
Manzanar is up this valley right here. The Japanese internment.
Oh, really?
So that white stuff down there is minus 271.
You want to go below? Dive down?
Why not?
A little uncomfortable.
Huh?
Like the same thing as the Salton Sea.
I would keep it all in the bank right now. Well, we only have 30 miles to go. And you got more than 7,500 to go down.
Yep.
So we're going to need to know what pattern is. Maybe Pete's listening in, he'll give us the wind. And if it's straight in on 3-3.
United 358,
great.
approach, roger.
It's like nobody cares out here.